Hello, class. Mr. Stone here. What they gave us today, they gave us a triangle. Really, it's 3 triangles. And they told us some information. They want us to calculate the values of A, B, and C. This is a similar problem you'd see on some exams, some SATs or whatever. Maybe the teacher will give you this. And a lot of times you look at this and say, whoa, this looks pretty hard. But if you just step back and say, hey, I'm just going to attack this one thing at a time. Okay, solve for one thing, and we just keep moving on to the next. Let's do it like that, okay? So we'll start from left to right, okay? And what do they tell us? They tell us that one outside angle here is 110 degrees, and one of the inside angles is 40 degrees. Well, above, I put a couple rules, okay? And we're going to use those. And truthfully, as you watch some of these, we seem to use the same rules over and over. We use the straight line rule and the triangle rule, and we know both of those equal 180. So that means if the outside angle is 110, and the whole straight angle is going to be 180, well, we get the difference. So let's just start here. So we got 180 minus 110 equals 70. Now, the teacher lets you use a calculator. I'd use a calculator in a lot of this math. That way you're going to make less mistakes. And try to keep it nice and neat so you can go back and look at it like this. I can look 180 minus 110, I get 70. Okay, so we know this angle here is 70. Okay, so that one's 70, so let's mark that up. Okay, now we know the upside angle here is 40. Okay, so hey, let's add it to 70. Quick math is telling me I'm back to 110. Okay, so somebody calculated this pretty good for us. Okay, so now we're 110. So that tells us that the whole inside, the whole triangle, is 180. So hey, let's do that. We got 180 minus 110. I think we've already done this problem once. So that's 70. So that's 70 also. So that means angle A is 72. Is 70 also. I'm going to use the word also instead of 72. Okay, so we know A. I'm going to write A here, so we'll get down here. A equals 70. I did this on purpose. I wrote it like that just in case, hey, the bell goes off. The teacher says, hey, the test is over. Okay, at least you got one of them answered out of the 3. Okay, so I wrote A is 70. Okay, let's put a little square around there so the teacher knows, hey, that's my answer there. Okay, now the next one. If we know that inside angle is 70, the one on the opposite side, because the straight angle is 180, well, we know that is going to be the difference between 180 and 70, which our math up here tells us it's 110, okay? So now we know this inside angle is 110, okay? So that's 110, okay? The top angle is 15, so we got, let's see, what did you write? 110 plus 15 is 125. For that one, we know the whole triangle is 180. So let's see the difference. 180 minus 125. Okay, the difference of these two is going to be 55. 55. So that means angle B is 55. So hey, let's write B equals 55. So there, we got 2 of them solved. Look at that. And I'm going to square that off so the teacher knows there. So at least if the bell goes off, hey, I got 2 of these answered. Okay? Hey, so let's keep going down. So we know that's 55. And the straight angle is 180. So what's the difference between 55 and 180? Well, we just did it here. It's 125. So that means this inside angle here is 125. We know the top angle was 15 right there. So 125 plus 15 is 140. We know the whole triangle is 180. So you got 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. So that means angle C, 40 degrees. So let's write C equals 40. And we square that off. And that was it. We just moved left to right, and we just kept going, solving the different ones that we knew. And then Lo and behold, we come up with what we didn't know, okay? The A, B, and the C. And we solved them all, just like that. And remember what I said? Try to kind of keep your math straight. And if you can use a calculator, use a calculator on it. So that way you got less chance of adding, subtracting 180 minus 140 and come up with 50 instead of 40, okay? And if you do it nice and neat, you can go back to it and check if you got more time at the end of the test, okay? And remember, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, help my YouTube ratings, and remember what I always say is, math can be fun. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.